How to review your profile activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your profile activity on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and go down again. Here you will find this one, activity log. Click on it and click this one, profile information, and then click profile. And here you can manage your profile, you can review your profile activity on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.